This is the perfect time to throw a barbecue party outdoors. Chicken pieces are marinated in a spicy marinade and grilled on top of red hot coals. Gather the ingredients: 1 kg whole chicken, yogurt, ginger garlic, roasted gram powder, lemon, salt, chili powder, garam masala, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric, pepper powder, coriander powder, and mustard oil. Take cleaned chicken and score the chicken pieces. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon and sprinkle in a teaspoon of salt. Rub this all into the flesh. Let it rest for 20 minutes. This marination tenderizes the meat. In a large bowl, sprinkle in spice powders: a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon each of pepper powder and coriander powder, and 2 teaspoons of roasted gram flour. Add 4 tablespoons of yogurt, pour 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil gives the tikka a unique flavor. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Whisk well to form a smooth marinade. Place the chicken in a bowl with the marinade and marinate for at least 2 hours. Grilling. Heat your grill with a nice flame and coals until red hot. Thread the chicken onto skewers, leaving some space between each piece so the chicken cooks evenly. Place chicken skewers on the grill. Grill until well charred for 5 to 7 minutes. Flip chicken and cook until the second side is charred for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep turning the skewers so that the chicken gets cooked on all sides. After the chicken is cooked, take it off the grill, squeeze lemon wedges over the chicken and serve hot. Enjoy recreating this in your kitchen and let me know in the comments. Happy grilling!